In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign the FAFSA as a parent. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so step number one is create a FSA ID. So each parent who needs to sign must create their own FSA ID, which is a username and password. So we can go to studentaid.gov to set it up. So you'll need your social security number, date of birth, and personal email address. This ID is your legal electronic signature, so keep it safe. Then from there, we need to log into the FAFSA. So your student completes most of the FAFSA form using their own FSA ID. Once finished, they will indicate parental information if required. At the end of the application, it will prompt for a parent signature. Then from here, we need to select sign with FSA ID. So as the parent, choose sign FAFSA, enter your own FSA ID username and password, not your student's. This signs the FAFSA electronically. Now, if you don't have a SSN, so parents without a social security number cannot create a FSA ID. Instead, you'll need to print the signature page at the end of the FAFSA and then sign it by hand and mail it to the address listed. Then from there, confirm signature. So once submitted, you'll see a confirmation page. If your signature was successful with mailing a paper signature page, it can take 7 to 10 days to process. So keep that in mind. Now, there are some tips here. So only one parent needs to sign if the parents are married and file taxes jointly. Make sure your name, date of birth, and social security number matches exactly with what's on file with the Social Security Administration. Also, don't mix up your FSA ID with your students. Each person must use their own.